Hi everyone, I am Melissa Paul and I am just so happy to be joining and starting this journey with each of you. My heart, as I have shared with some of you, is really set on becoming a behavioral health counselor with a long-term goal of becoming an autism assessment individual working in neuropsychology. I have always felt that a diagnosis should be the beginning of a support system, not just a label for families. And my goal is to eventually provide evaluations that truly help neurodivergent individuals and their families feel seen and understood. I want to help individuals find that roadmap that makes life a little bit easier to navigate. And this stems from my middle son and his brain surgeries that he had, and just ongoing testing and different things throughout life. And to be honest, I used to think research methods and statistics as just maybe a tough requirement, if I'm honest. However, I realized through some research and things that it's going to be like my most important tool in my future career. And in neuropsychology, from research and talking with a neuropsychologist, data will be used to understand how a person's brain works. And if I want to give my future clients the best care possible, I will need to be fluent in that data. This class is going to teach me how to not only look at test results and know with total confidence that it is accurate, reliable, and fair, but in my future practice, research in many ways will be my North Star. I just want to make sure that the interventions that I recommend will be backed, and in my opinion, those will need to be backed by solid evidence, not just guesswork. And I plan in the future to use research and data in my daily work to track how my clients are doing. And it is one thing, in life to feel like someone is improving, or to say someone is improving, I guess you could say, but being able to show them their progress through clear data, it's going to be empowering for my clients. Even the statistics part of this class is going to be about connection, I believe. If I can understand the numbers deeply, then I can just simply explain to a parent who might be feeling maybe a little overwhelmed, just some data that could help them for forever. I think this class might turn a little bit of the scary math, or, ooh, this is a math class, into probably helpful answers for everyone. I also wanted to ask a couple questions before I go today. And a couple things that came to mind were, how do you think we can keep our practice fun, feeling human and warm, while still relying so heavily on data and statistics? And secondly, what is one area of mental health that you're most excited about to see research emerge in? Those are just two kind of questions that came to mind this week for me. I can't wait to see your videos and get to know you all better, and I will be seeing you in the classroom. Thank